Can you fucking believe this jabroni, Mark Zelinsky, is keeping Vincenzo? Yeah, that's right, Vincenzo, out in the parking lot where it's hot as fuck out here, and the FBI is threatening to burn down my house, Waco style, because I won't leave. I've been fleeced, heisted, and shysted by the criminal gangster cartel, brother, and now Mark Zelinsky won't get his ass out of the house so I can go get drunk at the bar. Like, subscribe, bro. Good mid-afternoon on this nice, comfortable, cloudy, early summer, late June day with a temperature of 65, 66 degrees, very light humidity, and a nice breeze about 20, 25 miles an hour out of the north and northwest. Making for a late August feel, an early September feel, rather than approaching midsummer, right? You can see gold's rebounded nicely, up 1.5%. Silver's up 0.5%. So nice day in the gold market. But the major news today is the cryptocurrency has just collapsed. And Vincenzo's been expecting this. And I'm very busy right now at work. Getting ready to get out of Bloomington, Illinois, and go home. But you can see in the 30-minute time frame, we have broken key structure support. And now we're crashing. And we're going to continue to crash in all of these coins. There will be up and down fashion, but you're going to continue crashing. So in Bitcoin right now, I think 29,000 is where you're going very quickly. And then you're going to have to start trading. So I think you're coming down here really fast. In Bitcoin, if we zoom in, you can see a bearish continuation pattern right here. Support, resistance, right? It's a bear pennant. And a targeted move is something like this. And that brings it beautifully right down to our $29,000 as the price action has moved along. $29,000 target on its way down to a mid-range target that old Vincenzo has been calling for since way back here. The $20,000 target in Bitcoin has been forecasted since the price was way up here in this rising wedge that we sniffed out and detected and overted and subverted to profit off of and to try to warn the crypto world of this extended bear market that we're in. This bear market's not anywhere close to being done, and it won't be. Can you fucking believe this fucking Vincenzo? He told me to buy the gold and silver bullion, and now that shit is crashing too, just like my crypto and my fucking Dogecoin, because the criminal gangsters have infiltrated that fucking market, and I've lost my house. The FBI's just burnt it down Waco style, and Vincenzo told me to buy gold and silver bullion, and now that's crashing. And now I've lost even more money. I'm out for blood, Vincenzo. For some time, but we were calling it out right up there is when Vincenzo started calling out this topping reversal pattern up there. And we're going here, and then we're going to the shit house, which is $1,000. But it's got to trade to get there. But this pattern is going to continue breaking down. It's very bearish. The volume is crashing. The structure and the momentum is gone. So this Bitcoin market that you newbies are getting into, you've been fleece heisted and shysted into a market that doesn't exist anymore, right? At least the way you think it does. This is another one we sniffed out and detected in a rising wedge up here. And right here before this final pump, we put a target out of $1,086 because this rising wedge was going to break. And if we zoom in super simple, easy to understand ways, we said this was forming a rising wedge, a topping reversal pattern, right? And it had a little blow off top, but it's still coming back down to our first target. And that's in the highlighted box right there, between 1,065 is our target. Right there is our target, the bottom of this wedge, and it's coming down there. People were calling old Vincenzo crazy. Oh, and yeah, but I kept telling you it was coming down there to start. And then I have much lower targets that we can put on now. And I think we might take a run at the shit house in this coin too, which is way down here. This is the shit house. And I think we might take a run at it. It's a very small shit house in this coin. It's very narrow. But I think we may make a run at the shit house down there, and we'll put a little price target. So you kind of get an idea. The mid-ground of the shit house is $218, right? And our target, our outstanding target, like we just went over, industry exclusive, when the price was where it was at, has been $1,065 for months, and we're now almost there. DGB. Again, we broke down out of this bearish consolidation, and your target is right there at 0.021, and you will get down there in the next week to 10 days, and then yes, you will make a run into the shit house at 0.008. CeeLo, same thing. You're going to the shit house. I don't have the shit house drawn, but you're going to $1.60 quick, and then you're going to crash much lower, and the data doesn't want to pull up. That might be all the data we have in CeeLo, but you're going way down there. Theta, you're going to come crashing down. Theta, our target shit house is down here. I think you're going to be trading down there in Theta very shortly, within the next few weeks. Back out of that to here. Put a price target. You're going to be trading down here in Theta quickly. Harmony 1, the same thing. It's going to come crash. I've been telling you this was going to crash down. And you're going to end up in the shit house. We're just going to draw the shit houses because this is where you're coming down to in all these coins. You have to, whether you like it or not, in an up and down fashion. You're coming down here in Theta. Bitcoin, we're coming down to the shit house of 1,080. Litecoin, we're coming down to the shit house of $40. XRP's got a really low shit house, but we will make it there. It's just going to take a little bit longer than the rest of them. Or maybe not. But XRP's coming down way down there. You see that target in the shit house? Way down there, about 10 cents.
Financial advisor
Dogecoin.
No.
Everyone knows my outstanding targets in Doge.
Not. Strictly education.
But you're coming way down.
Education and entertainment only.
You're going
this
way
is
down
only
there
my
in
personal
Doge.
opinions on the market and beliefs
and
on where it's going and what I'm doing.